So yeah, let's get started. So you can use any object, but in this case I'm using this shoe model which I have created from Clever Poly. If you want to make this exact shoe model, you can go on his channel. So now I'm gonna click on this, make sure it's in one piece, alright, not in different parts. So just click on this, go to modifiers, I'm gonna apply this modifier, and just click on add modifier and search for simple deform. Now you can see instantly when I have added this modifier, you can see the shoe is bending, but it's not really bending, it's twisting. As you can see over here, I can change the angle from 0 to minus 40 or even 360, minus 360. So I can do it on a certain axis, let's suppose Y. Now if I just increase the value or the angle, you can see it's twisting on the Y axis. Now same for the Z, now it's twisting on the Z axis. If you want to bend this shoe or any object, just click on bend. Now if I change the angle, now this is bending on the Z axis. On the Y axis it bends like this, and on the X axis it bends like this. If you want to twist it, you can just twist it like this. If you want to bend it, you can bend it. Now there are two more options. One is taper. Now you can see it has different results, but I often use bend and twist. And the next one is stretch. Basically in this option your object will be stretched on the X axis, Y axis and the Z axis. But I guess in this case I will use twist, alright. So I'm gonna just bring up this tab, I'm gonna go to frame 1, I'm gonna change the angle to 0 or maybe 25. I'm gonna add a keyframe, I'm gonna go to frame 100 or maybe 30. I'm gonna change the angle to this, minus 25. I'm gonna add a keyframe, and then on frame 50 I'm gonna duplicate this exact keyframe. Now you can see if I play my animation, it's something like this, but on frame 50 I don't want the angle to be 25. Let's just do it 0. Alright, now it's really slow, so I'm gonna just move the keyframes closer like this. Now if I play animation, now you can see it's much more faster. So you can play with it in the graph editor. So if I go in the graph editor, you can see I have this curve on the x-axis because I want my animation to be fast or slow on the x-axis. So remember, if you are playing with the graph editor, it could get really messy. But remember, if you want your animation to be fast, your curve should be vertical, but if you want your animation to be slow, your curve from that should be horizontal. Like over here our curve is a bit vertical. If I play the animation, and now you can see over here the animation is fast, but over here the curve is horizontal. If I play the animation, now you can see over here the animation is stopping. So if I just scale this, now you can see over here the more area is horizontal. It means over here the animation will be much slow. If I rotate this and then scale this down, now you can see this area is vertical, so it means that the animation over here would be fast. So I'm gonna rotate this. Now my animation is fast from here, slow from here, and fast from there. As you can see, fast, slow, and then fast. You can even change the animation and the keyframes. I'm just gonna duplicate this to over here to frame 60. Now I'm gonna duplicate this and I'm gonna move it over here. Alright, now I'm gonna duplicate this over here and I'm gonna move this over here. Now save your animation. Now you can see we have this twisting little animation. You can change this, you can change it to bend, you can change it to taper or stretch, but in this short video I just want to show you that how we can twist or bend our object. So I hope this tutorial helped you. So if you didn't understand anything, just comment down below. I will try to reply it, and then yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.